Hello and welcome to KITT's latest upgrade, his Season 3 and 4 upper console. This video is just a wee demonstration to show some of the things that it can presently do, with a view to some of the things it might be able to do in the future. Looking at it here, you can see it looks typical of most Season 3-4 upper consoles, except over here, instead of having a row of LEDs, we've got an RGB backlight display, which I'll be using to show information from the upper console as features are selected, and also as a poor man's head-up display mechanism until I get the dashboard installed. So let's fire this thing up and see what it can do. So there we go, system is ready, and here we have all the LEDs in their blindingly glory. So that's a little bit too bright, so one of the things we can do is dim it down. Here we go. You may have noticed there briefly that the LCD updated to say nighttime mode. So when driving at nighttime, the last thing you want is everything glaring at you, making it hard to see what you're doing. And we can toggle between daytime and nighttime mode as we like. So daytime mode, everything is nice and bright, easy to see in the daytime sunlight. And we go back to nighttime mode. We've got other features too, so we can turn on and off the sound effects when we push a button. So every time now I push a button, you can hear nothing at all. And we can turn it back on again. Sound effects are on. So all the button presses now make a tone. Every button that I press also gets sent to KITT's main computer, so I can, by changing software, change what each button does without having to uninstall the upper console to make any changes and then put it back in. No, none of that, all done on software, and I can upload changes in place. One other feature we've got is a demonstration mode of the LEDs. All of these have RGB LEDs installed in them, and with them we can do fancy patterns called demo mode. So here we have demo mode on. The first demo mode just simply pulses on and off, and of course while it's going on we can change the brightness. Every 15 seconds it'll switch to a new demo mode. There's one mode there, and if I want to I can change to the other modes simply by pressing this button here. So manual pattern selected. This will fix the currently displayed demo so that it will just keep going. It won't cycle to the next pattern at all, it'll just stay like that until I change it again. There we have the next pattern. And the next one. Each of these LEDs underneath these switches are all addressable by the onboard microcontroller, which I have up in the upper console. And now we're back to the first demonstration mode of the lights, and I can switch it off at any time. So there's demo mode off. One of the other things I've installed is the ability to lock the upper console. So now with the system locked, we can push all the buttons we like. Try and change the dimness, the demo mode. Nope, completely inaccessible until we unlock it. So let's do that and see how well I can remember the code. Oh, well done me, I've managed to remember my own code. So there's some basic features of the upper console so far. As I say, everything can be changed just by uploading new software in place without having to take anything out to make changes. And that's how upper console should be. Well, this is the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.